Hello dear students, good morning all of you. Once again, I warm welcome into this wonderful session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. In this video session, I am going to discuss the physics of class 9th. In this video session, we discuss the numerical problem of class 9th, chapter number 1, motion. I will solve the 4 numerical problems here. The numerical problems are based on the average speed, average velocity and acceleration, and this numerical problem is based on the equation of motion. We previously discussed about the chapter number 1 topic motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion and uniform speed, non-uniform speed, velocity, acceleration, and most famous topic of this chapter is equation of motion, general method, and equation of motion by the graphical method. And last topic of this lesson is circular motion. I have completed all the topics of this lesson. The link of the all topics are given in the description box. By that way, you can easily see the videos and understand the theory of the chapter number 1, that is motion. And now I am going to start the numerical problems. The first numerical problem is here. An object travels 60 meter in a 4 second, then another 60 meter in a 2 second. What is the average speed of the object? As we know that solution इसका क्या होगा? Average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. Total distance upon total time. Here distance are given. S1 is 16 meter. S1 is 16 meter. Next distance S2 is 16 meter. Time, first distance, the first part of the distance taking the time 4 seconds, and the second part of the distance taking the time 2 seconds. तो इसमें क्या हो गया? S1 plus S2 upon T1 plus T2. When you write these values, 16 plus 16 upon 4 by 4 plus 2, that is 32 by 6, 5.33. 5.33. So the average speed is 5.33 meter per second. This is the answer of the first part. And the one thing is very necessary. When you solve the numerical problems, then on the solving numerical problem, the unit of that term is compulsory to write it. यहाँ पर velocity है, and you know the unit of velocity is meter per second. Meter per second. I hope that you got this numerical problem. And on the second numerical problem, a body travels along a circular path of radius 70 meter. तो circular path का जो radius है, the radius of circular path is 70 meter. A half revolution complete in 20 seconds. T is equals to 20 seconds. Find the average velocity and average speed. Look here, average velocity after half revolution. Half revolution के बाद जो average क्या होगी? Velocity होगी. Velocity is equals to displacement upon time. And you know, when a body moves on a circular path, look here everyone, this is a circular path of radius 70 meter, then the displacement is equal to the twice of radius, and the twice of radius is displacement, or in other words you can say that is equal to the diameter of the circular path. When you put the value, this is 2 into 70 upon time is 20. 2 and 2 cancel out each other. Then average velocity is 7 meter per second. Average velocity is 7 meter per second. This answer comes out. In the second part of this question, it asks that average speed इसको erase कर देते हैं due to the shortage of place. I hope you understand this problem. Now average speed after a half revolution, एवरेज स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, एंड डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू द circumference of half. When a body moves on a circular path, then the distance covered by the particle is equal to the half of the circumference. That is equals to 2 pi r by 2 upon time. This is cancel out, this comes out pi r by t. When we put the value, pi is 22 by 7, r is 70 and time is 20. 7, 10 time, 10 2s are 20. 2, 11s are 20. In this case, answer is 11 meter per second. Answer is 11 meter per second. This is average speed. This is average speed. For the third numerical problem, look here everyone. An object is moving on an inclined plane. Inclined plane पर एक ऑब्जेक्ट मूव कर रहा है. It velocity changes from 15 meter. That's mean जो उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी that is u is equals to 15 meter per second, and final velocity v is 10 meter per second. These values are given here, and time t is equals to 2 seconds. What is the acceleration? Acceleration find करना है by first equation of motion. First equation of motion, v is equals to u plus at. By transposing this value, v minus u is equals to at. By this, a is equals to v minus u by t. V minus u by t. When you put the value, v is 10, 15 by 2. A is equals to minus 2.5 meter per second square. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Here negative sign shows that body have deaccelerated. बॉडी क्या है, वो deaccelerated है, माने वो चलती चलती रुक जाएगी. Ultimately body will stop. Now on the fourth numerical problem, the question is a train is starting from rest. A train is starting from rest and attain the velocity 72 km per hour in a 5 minutes. Assume that the acceleration is uniform. We consider here the acceleration is uniform. The acceleration, find one part is acceleration and the other part is distance traveled by the object. Distance traveled by the object. Now in fourth and last numerical problem, a train is starting from rest and attains the velocity 72 km in 5 minutes. Solution is attain velocity, started their motion from rest, that means u is equals to 0 and v is equals to 72 km per hour. First you convert this value multiplied by 5 by 18. 5 by 18 से इसको multiply कर देंगे, it convert into the meter per second. It converted into the meter per second. Meter per second. This is 20 meter per second. And then assuming that acceleration is uniform, here time t is given 5 minutes. That's means 5 into 60, that is equals to 300 seconds. Acceleration find करना, acceleration. By the first equation of motion, acceleration a is equals to v minus u by t. By t. When you put the value, then v is 20 and u is 0 upon time is 300. This is 20 upon 300. Cancel out. Acceleration a is equals to 0.0. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, क्या आएगा 0.067 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. This is the value of acceleration. This is the value of acceleration. And in second part, the distance traveled by the train for attaining the velocity. Here, the value of u, v, and time t and acceleration. Time t is given, and now you find the value of acceleration. So, find the final distance, or total distance traveled by the train is find by the second equation as well as third equation. दोनों से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Here we are solving by the third equation. So this is the first part, and the second part is distance. तो distance के लिए we use the third equation of motion, v square is equals to u square plus 2a. When you put the value, v is 20 of whole square, this is 0 of whole square, 2, a is 0.67 0.067 s मतलब millimeters is distance. This is 400 0.134 s. S is equals to 400 upon, इसको ट्रांसपोज किया है 0.1 400 0.134. इस स्टेप को हम यहां पर राइट कर रहे हैं. S is equals to 400 upon 0.134. इसको ट्रांसपोज कर दिया बेटा, इसके नीचे आ गया है. When you erase this decimal, then 30 is increased there. On solving this, we get 29. इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो 2985.07 ये आंसर आपका मीटर में आएगा. This answer comes in a meter. When you divide this value meter by the 1000, then S is equals to 2.9870 ये क्या हो गया किलोमीटर. फाइनली हम इसको 2.98 किलोमीटर राइट कर देते हैं. दिस इज योर आंसर. This is your answer. So, when you solving the numerical problems, first thing for the student of class 9th, 8th तक आपने कोई numerical problem नहीं पढ़े. By this concept, which is previously placed in your mind, that theory of science is the main part. But in the case of 9th class and 9th onwards, theory as well as numerical problem both have same importance. अब numerical problems को जब हम solve करेंगे तो उसके लिए सबसे easy method क्या है कि first you learn the formulas which is related to the chapter, and when you solving the numerical problem, at least read the question carefully at least 2 times and write the values which are given in the question and note the value which is given to find in the question, and then make a relation between the values and how to solve the numerical problem. How to solve the numerical problems ऐसे भी हो सकता है. The numerical problems have a 2 step or 3 steps. First you clear your theories, concepts and learn the formulas, and then you can solve the numerical problems by the easy method. So dear students, please like this video. If you have any query, then ask in the comment box, and share this video, because by sharing this video, all the students who got this video are beneficial during this critical time. Please, once again I am saying to you, subscribe my YouTube channel, Daksh Tutorials, and thanks for watching.